Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielle-ish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. Anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Danielle Price and today I did this makeup look. It's been what feels like a century since I did a makeup look on my channel. This quarantine got me feeling some type of way and I dyed my hair orange. I will link this video in the description below so you can watch me dye my hair orange if you're into that kind of thing. But if not, then you can just keep watching this one. But I'm gonna do some more orange. Obviously, I did my eyes like this, and yeah, it's a full talk through tutorial. I tried to keep it as short as I could, but you know me, I don't do that very well. So, comment if you make it to the end. So I am actually going to start with my moisturizing process. So I'm going to go ahead and use a product from The Ordinary. It's a 2% hyaluronic acid with B5. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to get this all over my face, and I will do a video talking about my favorite beauty products and kind of why I like them and go over pricing and stuff like that in a different video. I've had that one requested a few times, so I am definitely going to do that. The second moisturizer that I love, that I use all the time, is by a brand called I Do Care. This brand makes awesome face masks, and they just came out with a moisturizing vitamin C gel plus cream. This is probably one of the most moisturizing, hydrating products I have ever used. It's super jelly and creamy. It really does a great job of hydrating for me. This is a game changer. I am breaking out like crazy, obviously, but you know, you gotta work with what's going on. The next thing that I use is actually a BECCA Instant Complexion Refresh First Light Priming Filter. This is what this looks like. I actually had gotten this in a BoxyCharm when I had that subscription, and I really liked it, and I was looking for a good primer. I decided to buy the bigger version of this. It kind of has like a holographic violet color to it, which I think makes me look more glowy, and it's underneath foundation, so it really brightens you up underneath. I don't use this every day, only if I'm going for like a full face, full beat look like we're doing today. So for my everyday foundation, I use the Dewy Smooth Fit Me Maybelline. A lot of people use this one. It's the cheap foundation, and it's pretty much at every grocery store. If we're going out to dinner, or if I'm just doing a full face of makeup, I use my Morphe foundation, F170, and it's a matte foundation. I'm actually gonna mix these together today. And then to apply my foundation today, I'm gonna use my airbrush foundation brush from BECCA Cosmetics. Sorry, that took me way too long to come out. Bit dark for me, but it helps balance out the other one. Okay, now we have like a good solid foundation base. Low-key, the rest of me is this color, and I'm gonna warm it up a little bit with my bronzer. But first, I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use my Morphe highlighter since I used that foundation, and it looks like this one's in C135. This is what this looks like. Under eyes, A little bit on my nose. I have a pimple on my forehead, so I want to make sure we get that. And the chin area. For this one, I'm actually going to use a sponge to pat in. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and just powder my face. I love this face powder. It's called Airspun. It's like $5 at Walmart. It's so much powder and it's super loose and just light, and I love it. And then for this I'm going to use a brush that I got from a BoxyCharm, I think, and it's from a band called Moda Pro, and it's their BMX 130. And I'm just gonna get the powder in the lid and set my face. Really kind of just all over the place. My face is set. I'm gonna use my Morphe brush, Morphe PK4, and my IT Cosmetics Vitality Face Disc. And I'm just gonna take the darker shade in here and I'm gonna start carving out my face. I really just kind of go for it. Contour my face. I really kind of do it like a bronzer because I don't like sharp contours. I like a very soft kind of like blended, and I don't know, it just gives off like a hydrated kind of like plump face feel. So that's why I contour that way. I am going to use the Park Avenue Princess Tarte bronzer. It looks really dark on camera, but it comes off really light on the brush. And this, I'm really just gonna get in there with the same brush and I'm gonna do big circle sweeps over my face because this is just really when I warm up the rest of my makeup. I do my highlight before anything else because I just really want it to look more natural. So before I put on my eye makeup or do my eyebrows or whatever, I put on my highlight first. So this one's called Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati, and I freaking love this stuff. It's so intense and metallic and just pigmented, and there's so much of it, and it's lasted me literally years. But I love this stuff, and it gets like your perfect highlight. Very fine powder. So the brush that I use for highlighting, don't think it's used. Oh, it is a highlighter brush. Tapered highlighter. Oh, I thought I was just being creative this whole time. It says Luxie is the brand. I don't know. My setting spray right now is really basic, just the e.l.f. Mist and Set Spray. This is a really good fallback for me, actually. It's like $6, and for whatever reason, it just lasts me a really long time. So I'm gonna just spray my face, and then I'm gonna spray this brush, and we'll start highlighting. So this just gives me like a really quick set, and then, oh my god, every time. Okay, so if you're like me, you love like a really intense nose highlight, but that's kind of my jam. But look at this, like, it's crazy pigmented, and I don't know, I just freaking love this stuff. It's the best. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera because that's like a whole nother video, and I will be right back. Okay, so I did my brows off camera. I know they look extreme, but it's because I don't have anything else on my eyes. Calm down. Look like angry eyebrows. I have some fun things I'm gonna do today. I figured because my hair was orange, I would just also do orange for the super big time orange colors. I'm using my Morphe 35B palette. This one gets me every time, and you can see how many colors I haven't used. because I'm terrified. So if you want me to use them, just let me know. But I'm definitely gonna be using this orange at the bottom, probably some of this yellow, and then definitely some of this red. I'm also gonna zoom you in so you can see what I'm doing, but ignore how bad my eyebrows look because quarantine. So the only two brushes I'm gonna be using today is my Morphe M576 brush and my Morphe E28 brush. This is what they look like. They look pretty similar, but one of them is just more dense than the other. The top one is just more dense. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this orangish color right here. And they don't have names. That'd be too difficult. The light orange in the palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a little bit on my brush and just start putting this in the crease. I could just keep this color on because I freaking love this color. Actually going to darken it up just a little bit with this color right here. It's kind of like a pinkish in between. Color difference and definition. And then the moment we've all been waiting for. This one right here. This one I'm actually going to get my more dense brush. I'm just gonna pack this on and we're gonna go from there. Basically a lot of things just happened. My camera just died. Had to get that up and running again, and you know, I had to get a drink because I wanted to, because I can. I'm gonna finish my eyes now because I do kind of look like a crazy person. So I'm going to do eyeliner, so I'm gonna get you zoomed right back in and we will get that show on the road. I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time. It's probably been about a year, but if you've seen any of my makeup tutorials, that you know that my holy grail eyeliner is this e.l.f. eyeliner. This is literally $2 at the store. And it's the best eyeliner I've ever had in my life. So this is a good one. It's just in the shade Jet Black. We're gonna go ahead and see if I can show you how to do eyeliner. Another holy grail product of mine is a brand called Essence. They have a bunch of random things, but their mascaras are like so cheap. They're like $4 at Ulta. Yeah, some of them are even cheaper than that. I don't know what it is about these, but I've always been really impressed with them. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on, and I may or may not use lashes. Wow, that's a huge difference. This mascara is insane. Because I got a ton of mascara on my lid, I'm just gonna take that brush that I used earlier that still has all the orange pigment on it, and I'm just gonna blend all that in with my eyeshadow. Okay, now for my lips. I don't know. I feel like I want my eyes to be the focal point, so I don't want a dark lip, unless I do. I don't know. This is a good one. This is a Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Mega Last in Nudie Patootie. This is a really great one. It's vegan, cruelty-free, in case anybody is wondering. So I think I'm gonna do this one just because it's a solid nude choice. I'm done. So this is my finished look. Give you guys the whole profile here. So I don't know about you guys, but quarantine has me all kind of feeling weird. So orange just is like kind of a weird color. So I just randomly dyed my hair orange. I will link that video right here or here. I don't know which side it pops up on. I should know this by now. You guys can watch me make my hair orange. Yeah. Just decided to film a makeup video. So if you guys were able to get this far so you can see the finished look, comment down below. I want to see who's watching. Tell me what you think about it. I like it and I think I can dig it and I feel like myself, and you know, life is good. So if you guys like this tutorial or you have any questions about this tutorial, please link them in the comment section below. If you just want to say hi to me, do that too, because I will tell you hi back. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little I don't know what notification bell. I always say ding-a-ling bell. But hit the notification bell if you guys want to see more. That will let you know every single time a video is uploaded. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.